guys, welcome back.
Hey!
Today's video, as you can probably tell, or maybe if you're a little confused by the title, is that my dad does my voiceover. This is my dad. His name is Pete. You can talk, you're not on mute.
What she said.
Okay, yeah. So, anyways, we figured we had my mom in one video, may as well have my dad in the other, and because the original tag to this video is my boyfriend does my voiceover, but I don't have one of those. So, yeah, this is my dad instead. So, my dad, how much do you know about makeup?
Not much.
What's your knowledge? Give him a little bit of, like, a taste of what it is. Tell him something you know.
I'm done.
Only can go up from here.
Well, I see Mom put makeup before we go out. I see you put makeup on, and that's about it.
Do you know any of the names of anything?
Eyeliner makes you black on on the top. Usually I think the bottom of the top. And there's a mascara, which enhances your eyelashes.
Okay.
There's a foundation that goes underneath, and then depending on your flesh tone, you can use different colors, like on the cheeks and other areas, depending on the summers, the fall. You're gonna go light, you're gonna go dark.
For someone who said they didn't know anything, you know a lot.
Well, I listen, I hear you talk, I hear Mom talk.
Okay. Well, anyways, so we hope you guys enjoy this video. And stay tuned if you want to keep watching. It'll be interesting, that's for sure.
Hi, this is Grace from Once Upon a Tutorial, and I'm going to show you how to do some things with makeup and hair. So I'm going to take this stuff out of a purple bottle and I'm going to smudge it on my eyelashes and then poof it around with some, oh wow, I'm going to make myself so dizzy, I'm moving so fast. Then I'm taking some Tartate something and I'm putting Tartate above my eyes and swishing it around. I got my right eye, I got my left eye coming up. I'm usually better with my right eye. I can't tell you why, but I just am. So I just kind of smush it around and blend it around, and I'm going to go for a peachy color because I'm kind of peachy. I'm going to put peachy on it. I got both sides. And then, now I'm mixing. I know it gets very complex. Try to stay with me. I'm going to smudge it around. And the left eye I smudge with the brush instead. And just kind of round it up, blend it in a little bit. Yeah, a lot of work to be beautiful, isn't it? So, how do you think? Pretty good, huh? Okay, step 2. Put a little cream on my fingers and smush it around and put it on my cheeks and my forehead. Ooh, a little glop up there. I hope I get to it. There we go. Smush it around. And blend it all in. And now I take some stuff from the sea. That's what it's called, SEA. And I put fake teardrops on my face and my forehead. Sometimes I cry from my forehead. And I smush it around and make it all blend nice. Nice and neat. Pat it. Don't hit yourself too hard. You want to be gentle. And then I'm going to take some studio skin. This is really good stuff. I ooze it on my hand and I dab it on my face like chicken pox. Pretend you have chicken pox and you're putting calamine lotion. That's what it's like. And then you take the black clown sponge again and you smush it around. Blend it all in. Don't forget the forehead. And your nose. Got to go down the bridge of the nose. And now I've got, you put a little tartar sauce on you. Make like think of like the Indians way back when, the Native Americans. And you kind of smush it around. Make it, it's all about blending. It's all about blending. Smush it around like the circle of life. Everything blends. And now I've got Laura's cream. It's a little tricky. Just try to get under my eyes. Give me that Laura glow. Poof! A little poof action. Smush it around. That little dust. You don't want the makeup too shiny. So. Oh, sorry, I'm switching to my cheeks now. Alright, so I'm back on my cheeks. Gotta highlight my cheekbones. Gotta swish it around and make everything. There's that blending thing, like the circle of life. Just blend it all. Now, a little nabs action by Guy Bourbon, I think it was. And I'm gonna add that on top of my cheekbones to, I'm not really sure, but I'm supposed to do it anyway. So that's what I'm gonna do. Blend it all. Oh, you got to make sure the hairline. You got to kind of blend with the hairline. You don't want to like 1 inch. Oh, wait, sorry. Drawn on my cheek again. I take the purple sponge, only use the color purple on your cheeks. And now, so the purple's gone, now I got the Rockator. And I take the little Rocket Man and I swish it on my cheeks. I know this is a little confusing, a little dizzying. I got a little Anastasia going on over here. But just be patient. Just stay with the video. You can rewind it and play it back and play it back again. I promise you, believe me, the finished product is exactly what you're looking for. Whether you're... Okay, so now let me put on the hourglass stuff. Notice just a little dab here and a little dab there. Blended it with my hairline again. Back to Tarte Taste again. From when we first started, mix and match those colors. Remember when you were in kindergarten, playing with different colors with the crayons? Very similar to that. Think of it that way. Think of it simplistic. So, put a little bit under the eye. And now I got my something drawn underneath my eyeball with a black Sharpie. This way I don't have to do it every day. It stays. Now, better than sex? Well, it's up to you. I'm putting it on, highlight my lashes, enhance the bottom and the top. But check it out. See how it all coming together? Yeah, I know I hold my nose in a funny way when I put that on, but you know, that's what happens when you put makeup on. You watch people put makeup on at the red light. They're going to work. Here's the new pencil. You're going to like this one. Be careful. Try to stay in the lines. Doesn't look good when you don't stay in the lines. It's pretty good, right? Don't forget the other side. They look lopsided. Here we go. A little brush here, a little brush there, a little dab here. Juice Beauty. Right on my lips. We got apple juice, orange juice, pineapple juice. Although my sister wouldn't want to use that. She's allergic to that. And all kinds of juices you can put on. And then back to the sea. Just ocean mist, like spraying it on my face, let my hair out. What do you think? Pretty good final product? Yes. Elegant, yet simple. Thank you very much for listening. I hope you really enjoyed it.
Alrighty guys, so thank you for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed it. You know, you can always hit that bell button to get notifications to see my videos, or leave a comment if you, like I said, want to see a reappearance of my dad. How do you think you did with the voiceover? How informational, how well are these girls going to be able to recreate this look?
Well, I mean, I mentioned a lot about using this with that, and then sometimes the other thing, and you put it all together, and you know, voila.
So anyways, we hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you guys next video. Bye.
So